Hello everyone, welcome back to the Laravel series. In today's lesson, we will dive deeper into Laravel structure and key concepts, including the MVC model view controller design pattern, which is the foundation of Laravel. So by the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of how Laravel organizes code to make the development both efficient and enjoyable. So let's just dive into the folder structures. So here first we have app folders. So the app folders are just it comprises of controllers, models, middlewares. So bootstrap folder, we have the cache, config, we have the database folder. So in this database folder, we have factories, we have seeders. So these two are just used to populate our database with dummy datas. So we have migrations. So in our migrations file, so we have the up function and the down function. So the up function, so basically the up functions just are just used to create the table columns. So we want to have name, email, verify that, password, remember token, timestamps. So they are used to create the table columns. Then the down function are used to drop all the table columns inside the name of column we the name of the function we give in this down function. So in this place, if we should run our migration, so we would have all these fields inside our users table to be dropping it inside this users table here. So up next we have public folder. So public folders are used to store our CSS files, JavaScript files, our images, our website logo, images, anything like assets. So it is used to store it. So up next we have our resources. So inside our resources we have views folders. So these views folder are used to store the files that we want to output to our end users. So like now we want to output this, my name is Joshua. So we pass it inside our welcome view. So and the welcome view file is inside our views folder. So next we have our route. So inside this route folder, it is where we do any routing in our web page. So we have storage folder where we see our error logs and the likes. So we have test folder. So where we this folder is used for testing our Laravel application. We have the vendor. So the rest you don't need to touch it. So what you need is just your .env. .env is the safest file in your Laravel application. So it is used to store your secret keys that you don't want any end users to know, anybody to know anyhow. So you store it inside your .env. So your .env file, if you have maybe your secret key, maybe your API keys, if you want to integrate APIs in your website, you store the keys here inside your .env. If you want to connect to your database, you connect through your .env file. So let's dive deeper into routes. Let's start with routes. So you use web.php in our routing. In